Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubbles out of screen protector corners. First, carefully examine the bubble to understand its origin. It's often a tiny speck of dust or an area where the adhesive didn't fully bond. Next, prepare your workspace by ensuring it is spotless. Gather a few simple tools: a clean microfiber cloth, a credit card or a squeegee, and some adhesive tape. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. Once you've identified the bubble, gently lift the nearest corner of the screen protector. You can use a thin, non-abrasive tool, like a guitar pick or a plastic card, to carefully pry it up just enough to access the bubble. If dust is the culprit, take one piece of adhesive tape and lightly dab the underside of the protector and the screen to pick up any stray particles. Remember to avoid touching the adhesive with your fingers. With the dust removed, slowly and carefully lower the screen protector back into place. Begin from the edge that was not lifted, allowing the adhesive to rebond gradually. As you lower it, use your credit card or squeegee to gently push any remaining air bubbles towards the nearest open edge. Apply firm, consistent pressure, working from the center of the screen outwards to ensure a smooth, bubble-free finish. After reapplication, take one moment to thoroughly inspect your screen protector for any tiny, persistent bubbles or areas that haven't fully adhered. If you find any, you can carefully repeat the lifting and smoothing steps, focusing on those specific spots. To prevent future bubbles, always apply screen protectors in a clean, dust-free environment, perhaps even in a steamy bathroom, which helps settle airborne particles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.